Hello, and welcome to Tech.co channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the top 5 best electric bikes you can buy in 2024. All these bikes are not only fast, powerful, and fun to ride, but also eco-friendly, affordable, and versatile. Whether you're looking for a commuter, a cargo, a sport, a folding, or a fat tire bike, I have something for you. So stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more awesome content. The first bike on my list is the Avanton Solterra 2, the best value electric bike of 2023 according to Forbes Vetted. This bike is a sleek and stylish urban e-bike that offers a smooth and comfortable ride. It has a 500-watt rear hub motor that can reach speeds of up to 28 miles per hour, and a 672-watt-hour battery that can last for up to 60 miles on a single charge. The Avanton Solterra 2 also has a 7-speed Shimano drivetrain, hydraulic disc brakes, front suspension, and puncture-resistant tires. The Solterra 2 comes in 2 frame styles, standard and step-through, and 4 colors: black, white, red, and blue. The best part is, this bike is very affordable, costing only $1,199 at Avanton Bikes. The next bike on my list is the Rad Power RadRunner 3 Plus, the best electric utility bike of 2023 according to Bike Mag. This bike is a versatile and customizable cargo e-bike that can carry up to 300 pounds of load, including a passenger. It has a 750-watt geared hub motor that can reach speeds of up to 20 miles per hour, and a 672-watt-hour battery that can last for up to 45 miles on a single charge. It also has a 7-speed Shimano drivetrain, hydraulic disc brakes, front suspension, and fat tires. The RadRunner 3 Plus comes with a lot of accessories such as a rear rack, a passenger seat, a front basket, a center console, and a headlight. You can also choose from different colors and decals to make your bike stand out. This bike costs $1,799 at Rad Power Bikes. The third bike on my list is the Le Mans Prologue, the best electric sport bike of 2023 according to Tom's Guide. This bike is a lightweight and elegant road e-bike that offers a fast and agile ride. It has a 250-watt rear hub motor that can reach speeds of up to 28 miles per hour, and a 250-watt-hour battery that can last for up to 46 miles on a single charge. It also has a carbon fiber frame, fork, and handlebar, a 10-speed Shimano drivetrain, hydraulic disc brakes, and 700cc wheels. The Prologue comes in 3 colors, yellow, pink, and black, and has a minimalist design that hides the battery and the wires. This bike costs $4,500 at Le Mans Bikes. The second bike on my list is the Ebikes Ultra, the best electric bike for a mix of on- and off-road riding, according to Bike Mag. This bike is a powerful and durable mountain e-bike that offers a thrilling and adventurous ride. It has a 750-watt mid-drive motor that can reach speeds of up to 28 miles per hour, and an 840-watt-hour battery that can last for up to 70 miles on a single charge. It also has a 9-speed Shimano drivetrain, hydraulic disc brakes, front and rear suspension, and 27.5-inch wheels. The Ultra comes in 2 colors, black and blue, and has a rugged and robust design that can handle any terrain. This bike costs $2,999 at Ebikes Bikes. The best electric bike you can buy in 2024 is the Denago Commute Model 1, the best overall electric bike of 2023 according to Bicycling. This bike is a smart and innovative commuter e-bike that offers a convenient and enjoyable ride. It has a 350-watt rear hub motor that can reach speeds of up to 20 miles per hour, and a 504-watt-hour battery that can last for up to 50 miles on a single charge. It also has a belt drive, an internal gear hub, regenerative braking, and integrated lights. The Commute Model 1 comes with a lot of features, such as a touchscreen display, a GPS tracker, a theft alarm, a remote control, and a smartphone app. You can also customize your bike with different colors, sizes, and accessories. This bike costs $1,999 at Denago Bikes. That's it for my top 5 best electric bikes you can buy in 2024. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, let me know in the comments which bike you like the most and why. And if you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them below. I'll try to answer them as soon as possible. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.